Cindy with Bags and Lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, welcome. Thank you so much for trying my channel out. If you are new, I talk about handbags as well as lifestyle topics, which is what this video is going to fall under the category of. And it's going to be an artwork unboxing that I'm really excited to share with you, because I've had let me just go into the unboxing and then we'll come back for a little bit of a story time, and I'll talk about also my Framebridge experience as well. All right, so I've already cut the box. This is how it comes, at least for the one that I got framed, which is a pretty large piece of artwork. I'm so excited. I'm trying to pull this back so you can see. So see how tall it is? I'm so excited for this one because I've had this artwork for years, and let me angle this down so you can see. Perfect. So you got the beautiful Framebridge right there. And they just got, the box is pretty much written on it is all these different kind of like occasions or what you may want to consider framing. So it's like, you know, ideas. So this is how it comes. And you get a beautiful little pretty card from Framebridge. So I finished unwrapping it, and here's the finished product. I'm trying to put this at an angle so you don't see the ring camera, but here it is. The artist is Emile Bellet, I believe is how you pronounce the last name. But this is my painting here. It actually is a serolithograph. And I'm not an arty, so Google what serolithograph means. But it is a numbered piece of artwork. All right, so hopefully you like it, and I will now flip over to talk about the whole Framebridge process if you're interested in hearing about that. So now that you've seen the video, just quick spiel here. I did go into my local Framebridge store. I'm pretty sure you can just go online and do all the settings, but I feel like it was nicer to talk to someone in person. So went inside, I had 2 pieces of artwork that I wanted to get framed. Quick spiel here. I had to go ahead and rush to get this item framed because I had purchased the item before by the artist. Oh my gosh, a long time ago, back when I was an undergrad is when I got this, this item. And I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's well, at this point now it's not at my parents' house anymore, but at some point it got misplaced, and we don't know where it went to. So I had to go buy another piece of artwork. It was not the exact same piece, but by the same artist, like I mentioned. So at this point, you would have already seen the unboxing because we're at the other portion of the video. So I decided, let me go ahead, and I had this item for a year and a half, 2 years at this point. And I said, okay, let me go ahead and get this thing framed before I end up losing this piece too. So decided to go ahead and get it framed. So I went into the store, showed the guy what I had, and then he came up with a couple of options. He asked if I mind, which was great, because he said, do you mind if I just put together a few things and you let me know? Because I just wasn't quite sure what I wanted. I knew I wanted it to appear like it was floating, and that was it. So I am actually a little bit surprised that I stepped out of my little box of comfort, I guess you could call it, and comfort level, and decided to go with this mustard yellow frame because it's not something I would have normally picked. And I really do like it. I really do enjoy it. And even the guy, he actually suggested I use another color. He thought I should use blue or red. And for whatever reason, when I kept visualizing it, the mustard yellow popped much more than the blue or the red. It was too matchy-matchy with the other two. And so went with that. And so I would say the whole process, it was quick and easy in the store. I was in and out in less than an hour. The longer period of time is waiting for your items to be delivered to you. It came separately. So my first piece of artwork came first. And that one, I think they quoted me 6 to 8 weeks. I would say my Framebridge items, like to get both pieces, it was on the portion of 8 weeks, and maybe a week after that is more so the time period between me paying and getting it back. So they do charge you, if you're not familiar, they don't charge you, if I remember correctly, based off of it's been a few months. So I'm trying to remember this from, remembering this from several months ago. But anyway, if you don't know, they do base it off of the size, not the piece, not the framing materials, is what I remember correctly. Like they base your framing off of the size of it. I don't know how much a traditional, if I would have went to a store that just does traditional framing, how much it would have cost. My total 2 pieces, I had one black piece that is a carpe diem piece that just is all black everything. And that one, in addition to the other artwork that I got framed, it came up to about $250. So I'm assuming that's probably pretty good. Definitely the larger piece that you saw in the unboxing is the item that cost the most. It was great. They boxed it up really nicely, as you can see, and it came with the framing material, not framing materials, but the materials to hang it. It did come with that too, so that was nice in case you don't have those extra materials, so that way you can make sure you get your item hung. So that's my experience. I definitely will do it again, and let me know if you have any other questions about the Framebridge experience. I'll try to answer those as best as I can, and we'll cut away to a quick last shot of the beauty on the wall.